Let's get you this next breaking update. This is the Union Health Minister now, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, who's tweeted, and I quote him now. He says, for all the countrymen, COVID-19, the doctors and other health workers fighting against the virus day in and day night are deities. He says Ramdev Ji's statement has hurt the sentiments of the country by disrespecting the corona warriors. He also goes on to say that I have written a letter to them asking them to withdraw their objectionable statement, unquote. So that's a tweet that has just come in from the Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan, who questions the remark that was earlier made by Baba Ramdev. In fact, he does go on to say that he hopes that statement is going to be withdrawn. He also does say that this is a statement that does not go down well with our COVID heroes who've been working day in and day out, and says that doctors like gods have been at the forefront of this entire fight against coronavirus. Our colleague Abhishek with us on the phone line right now to take that entire story ahead. Abhishek, I believe that there is an entire letter that you've been able to access written by the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Talk us through the contents of that letter, Abhishek.
Well, Union Health Minister has finally spoken on behalf of his own fraternity, Deepti, I would say, because he himself is a doctor and of allopathy. He has concluded the letter. I come to the conclusion because that's the crux of it. He has concluded the letter by saying that he requests Baba Ramdev to seriously reconsider his comments, and given the fact that he has heard the sentiments of thousands and lakhs of corona warriors and these doctors particularly by his comments, he should take those unfortunate comments and statement back. And that is the expectation that the Union Health Minister has from Baba Ramdev. Essentially, what the Health Minister says is that allopathy and this branch of medicine has contributed immensely to the overall health situation of humanity at large. He gives a specific example of how the science and the vaccines that have originated from this science have made a difference to smallpox, to polio, to Ebola, to SARS, and to TB. And now, of course, in the case of COVID also, we have some vaccines that are working. And these are important tools to deal with these scourges that off and on keep coming and hit at humanity. The Union Health Minister essentially is giving a backgrounder in the earlier part of the letter to Baba Ramdev, and says that he might have been really wrong in making the comment. If I quote in Hindi, he says, ऐसे में आपके द्वारा कोरोना के इलाज में एलोपैथी चिकित्सा को तमाशा, बेकार और दिवालिया बताना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. Lakhs of people have saved their lives because of treatment under allopathy regime. And if today in the country the rate of the fatality rate is just 1.13% or the recovery rate is 88%, it is essentially because of this branch of medicine and this science. So this is in the letter that Union Health Minister has written. Remember, he himself is a doctor, and he would have been under tremendous pressure from the medicine fraternity across the country, who were up in arms at the callous manner in which Baba Ramdev had really made that statement and that comment deeply.
Oh yes, and he hopes that he will withdraw that statement. Will that happen? We are watching that space closely. For the moment, Abhishek, thank you.